A Minnesota bar owner facing a possible 5-year suspension of her liquor license says she's fine with that.
We are open for business.
The Interchange Wine and Coffee Bistro continues to stay open in defiance of Governor Tim Walz's executive order. David Schuman was in Albert Lea today, where the bar organized a protest of the shutdown on indoor dining.
USA! USA!
Marchers in Albert Lea went from City Hall to the courthouse Sunday and right past the Interchange Wine and Coffee Bistro. The owner there, Lisa Hansen, is the one who brought these nearly 200 people together.
It's a time for us patriots to rise up in a peaceful way, of course, and to say, hey, enough is enough.
Lisa and the Interchange have been locked in a standoff with the state of Minnesota for weeks now, while she's defied Governor Tim Walz's executive order and remained open for indoor service. A temporary restraining order has been issued against the bar, the Department of Health has suspended its license, and the Department of Public Safety intends to suspend its liquor license for 60 days. Lisa's undeterred.
We are open for business because we need to make money to pay bills.
She believes the state is unlawfully enforcing an unlawful order, but further violations put the Interchange at risk of losing its liquor license for 5 years.
We're well aware of what the consequences could be. Either I closed permanently or I opened fully, so I opened fully. And knowing the risk, yes, I knew the risk going into that.
Lisa readily admits her stand is about principle at least as much as it's about her business, and being inside the Interchange makes that clear. Pocket-sized constitutions are laid out on a counter, protest T-shirts are on sale, and a tip jar has been converted to a legal fund.
We believe that we will see victory in this.
In Albert Lea, David Schuman, WCCO 4 News.
Before any liquor license suspension can go into effect, Lisa is entitled to a court hearing. She says she plans to consult with her attorney on how to proceed.